everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be achieving this beginner-friendly makeup look. If you all are interested, please stay tuned to the remainder of the video. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by priming our face. We are going in with the Wet n Wild Matte Primer. This primer I use generously. As you can see, I am applying it all over my face, just like a moisturizer. I did moisturize my face at first, but I am going in with this primer. I always prime my face. Never do your foundation without priming your face. Never, never, never. Then we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. I am in the shade 400. I know it looks a little orange, but it will oxidize. I am doing this in fast motion because it's basically patting and making sure that it's all blended in well, and you all can get the drift of what I'm doing here. So we are going in with my little Tarte Shape Concealer. I did receive this in my Ipsy's Glam bag. It is a sample size, but I said why not use it. So I'm using this because I am going to highlight and contour. And as you can see, I'm using it under the eyes, on the chin, down the center of the nose, on the forehead, and I am doing this in fast motion as well because you all can get the drift of what I'm doing here as well. Making sure that it is blended, and now I am going in with my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Banana Powder. Now I know I'm doing this a little different. I'm actually only applying this powder to the places that I use concealer. So that is the chin, the forehead, the center of the nose, and under the eyes, and I am going to bring that onto the eyelids as well. I am not going to bake, so I am patting this powder in, as you can see. I'm not baking. So what I like to do is to put it underneath the nose and around the corner of the nose because I tend to sweat a lot there. But as you can see, I'm patting that in, and now I am going in with my Maybelline FITME. I think it's the matte one. Yes, matte, in matte and poreless one, and it's in the shade 355. And I'm using that on the entire face. The powder that I use, the banana powder that I use, does come off a little white. So to bring a little color back to the face, I did apply the Maybelline Fit Me on the entire face. Now I am going in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I am only putting that dark shade around where I concealed and set at. I'm bringing it on the sides of the nose as well, not too dark, not too heavy. And now I'm going back in with that brush that had a little bit of that Maybelline Fit Me powder left, and I am bringing a little bit more color back to the face, and I am setting in that contour as well. I do not use cream contour. I never have, and I probably never will. I am fine with my powder contour. Now I am going in with this Morphe's brush palette. It's the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'll leave the shades on the screen here because right now I cannot tell you what the names of these colors are. And this is my little trick, my beginner's trick for eyeshadow. I am not great at eyeshadow. I never will be. I am practicing, but I would never perfect eyeshadow. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this Wet n Wild blending shadow brush, and I am dipping this brush heavy into the shade, and I am patting it in the corner of the eye. So right here you can tell I have a lot of color in the outer corners of the eye, and I'm actually just blending that out, but I went in very heavy with this color on purpose. And to me, I do this is so easy to me. I do this because it makes it look like I know what I'm doing when it comes to blending, but I'm literally just going in very heavy with this shade on the outer corner. And then I go in with one other shade, and it's always like a shiny shade. I'm not sure what this shade is. I'll leave it on the screen here as well. And then I actually bring that color in on the beginning part of the eyelid, and I kind of blend it into the outer part of the lid. This is so easy, you all. I use this technique with just about every color or every time I attempt to do an eyeshadow look because it's so easy. I'm literally only using 2 shadows, and this is the easiest way I can apply it because I'm not that great at blending. So right here, I'm taking that brush just to blend out those harsh lines. And yeah, this is pretty much it. This is so easy. So if you are a beginner in doing eyeshadow makeup, I really recommend this trick. But now I'm going in back with that same shade, and I'm using my fingers to pick that up a little bit more heavy. So I want to make that color pop a little bit more, so I went in with my finger. Now I'm actually blending those two colors in with an additional shade that I found in the palette, and I don't know the name of it as well. I'll leave it on the screen here. But as you can see, I'm taking away all the harsh lines. Now I'm going in with this bright gold color, and I normally always use my baby finger and I apply it to the inner tear ducts. And just a little tip, if you have shadow left over on your brush, I normally put it underneath the eye just to give it a little more color. And now I'm going in with my Maybelline FITME blush. I'm not sure what shade this is either. I'll leave it on the screen here. And I'm always heavy on the blush. I don't know why, I just am. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I believe this is the number 200. And I go in heavy with this as well. Now I know some people are like, why is she putting that highlighter all the way down the center of her nose? I've been doing this like this forever, and I don't see anything wrong with it. I always get a compliment, so why not stick to what I know? And I'm going to blend all of that out, and then I'm going to set that with my e.l.f. setting spray. That spray is only $4, and it is a matte setting spray, and it is bomb. Now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild favorite lipstick, and I think it's Mochalicious. And like I stated in the previous video, that shade is a shade that reminds me of a matte lipstick that I ran out of. So I went ahead and found a dupe. So guys, go and copy one. And yeah, that's it guys. That is the end of this tutorial, and I believe it was very easy. I did do my eyeliner and mascara off camera. I'm sure everyone should know how to do eyeliner and mascara. If not, leave a comment in the comment section down below if you all want to see a future video on that. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. If you all liked it, please hit that like button. Please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on those notification bells so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you all later. Bye!